Pure desperation on the freeway. This suspect in a reported stolen GMC pickup truck was hit by a spike strip and refused to pull over. Watch the damage. Sparks are erupting and lighting up the highway as the truck drives for several miles on nothing but the metal rim. The reckless pursuit stretches all the way from Palmdale. After grinding the wheel down to the bone, the driver finally exits the 405 freeway and peacefully surrenders to CHP. You have to see the damage this truck sustained. No escape after that kind of abuse.